Gen Z, Generation Clara. Welcome to another episode of Glad to be with you. I'm Gladys Reyes at nandito po tayo sa Henry Lee Irwin Theater here in Ateneo at meron tayong pupuntahang event. Hi! Halika, Jay. Eto na nga, a-attend tayo ng event ng Miss Possibilities Foundation Beauty Knows No Boundaries. And I'm with PJ. Jay, hi ka! Mamaya, magpa-fashion show kami doon sa Beauty Knows No Boundaries. Hello! So, dito tayo sa backstage. And of course, nakita na naman kami na aking kaibigan, Jude. First year mo ba to?
Hindi, pang-siyam ko na to. Yes! Last year, ibig sabihin, sa 9th year, 10 years na sila. Pero every year, basta pwede ako, nandito ako. Na-stop lang nung pandemic. Pero si Joey, ang muse namin from the very beginning. But this is the first time na sinama namin yung girls.
Ay, si Johan, syempre nandito. Johan! Say hi naman to my vlog. Ayan, si Johan. And Luna again, oh. Luna, ay, iba yung ano ni Luna today, oh. Ang ganda-ganda lalo. Yes. So, what did you say when you heard na you're gonna go today with your mom dito sa Beauty's No Boundaries?
Oh, I felt really excited, tita. Kasi it's something that I wanna do din. Tsaka looking up kay mom, parang nakaka-excite. Uy, I wanna do it too.
But this is your first, right?
Yes po. First ko talaga.
What about you, Luna?
I was just excited to meet Joey.
Wow! And this is Joey. So si Joey ang inyong muse today. Hello, Joey.
Hi.
Wow! How nice naman your dress.
Thank you.
Oh, wow! So mamaya makikita natin sila na magpa-fashion show doon. And of course, dahil ako, kasama ko naman si PJ. Ayan, si Congressman.
Si Mayor pala ito eh.
Oo. Diba? Ayaw na magginto-ginto ah. Oh, Michael de Mesa. Yan. Na-starstruck po yung kapatid ko sa mga artista na nandito. Mga pinapanood. Ha? Oh. Jay, mag-hi ka na dito. Hi ka dito. Hi. Dito, this is your first year, right? For the Beauty Knows Boundaries. So, sabi mo kanina sa backstage, kwento mo, tinawagan ka, you haven't met her, pero you said yes. Bakit po?
Well, of course, I mean, who wouldn't say no to something like this? This sector kasi medyo, in a way, you can say marginalized. So it's good to raise awareness kasi the kids, you can see the happiness and the joy in their faces, and once in a lifetime, in their lifetime na panahon nila to, di ba? Panahon nila, and sila yung sikat dito sa panahon na to. Silang star dito, correct.
Thank you, Tito. And I'm so glad sana nga yearly magkasama tayo.
I know, sana.
And next time, sana kasama na si Ate Jude.
Yes, for sure.
Thank you, Tito.
Miss Gladys Reyes with brother PJ.
masasabi niyo? Another successful year.
Thank you so much. Our 10th year. So thank you so much for joining all the time and this time. And you're beautiful as always. And thank you for being advocating for your not only your brothers, but everybody else in our community too. I really
We appreciate what you're doing, Miss Susan.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're always ready to help and ready to support our advocacy. So I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
And see you again next
Yes,
year.
of course. I'm gonna invite you again next
Just like Miss Carmi Martin, this is her first, right?
Yes, my first time and won't be the last. Yeah, oo. Yes, oo.
Mahilig ako. Before, right?
Saan ba pupunta itong si Bago?
Ayan, hinihila na siya ng kanyang partner.
Yeah. Teka, baka mawala. Wala akong pampalit dito. Yan. Yes. Ay, ito pala yung teacher niya.
What made you say yes, Carmita?
Kasi yung friend ko si Catherine Medina, actually, ang nag-invite sa akin.
She's on our MP team also.
Yes, oo. So, I said yes kaagad. Oo. For this very special event.
And knowing yun, napakarami mong advocacies. Kaya nung sinabing kasama si Miss Carmi, hindi na ako nagulat.
Yes, wala pa nga akong alam na rumampa, pero naka-ready na.
Always ready naman si Carmita o si Miss Carmi Martin. Hindi mo siya makakukot na hindi siya ready. So, ibig ba sabihin, my BFF, I'll see you again next year for this event?
Of course! Makikita kita ulit.
Yes, of course.
PJ, ano
PJ.
na masasabi mo?
Okay ba, PJ? Masaya ka? Masaya. Masaya daw siya. Yay!
Malapit ang puso ko sa kanila. Alam mo naman yun, di ba?
Si PJ, love na love.
kita?
Love na love ni
Love ko si PJ, love ko si PJ, love ko si PJ.
Love na love talaga niya, si PJ. Lagi niya kinukumusta sa akin.
Dali na, tumingin ka dito. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Ayan, humabol tayo kay Katunying. Kuya, kumusta ka? At sa first year ba to?
First year, sobrang ganda pala nitong event na ito at tingin ko very successful. Gawa nung yung mga, sabi nga yung possibilities.
Yes.
Possibilities, sobrang ganda po nito.
Ika nga beauty knows no boundaries, di ba, Kuya? And what made you say yes nung ikaw ay nakausap dito?
Actually, hindi ako nagdalawang isip kasi ang nangumbida sa akin dito ay katulad kong parent ng isang leukemia patient. Di ba si Zoe nga?
Survivor, yes.
Ano? Pero, well, unfortunately, yung daughter niya ay hindi nakasurvive. Pero, nagkita lang kami sa isang lugar. Sinabi niya sa akin na may ganitong event.
Yes.
I never had the second thought. Talagang yes agad. Kasi alam ko, napakaganda nitong causa na to.
Ang ibig ba sabihin nito, Kuya, ay hindi ito yung first and last? Mukhang masusunod.
Surely. Lalo ngayon, nakikita ko parang reunion to ng mga magaganda at gwapo.
Oo, di ba? Ng mga kapatid din. At syempre, hindi lang si Kuya nandito. Si Kuya Tunyi, nandito ang buong pamilya. Rosel, sis, halika. At ang kanyang mga anak. Alam mo, hindi ako makapaniwalang ito na si Chloe. Tapos syempre, yung bunso mo. Diyos ko, lalo na napag-iwanan na. Tinan mo, nakatingala na ako sa kanila, Kuya. So, is it your first time also joining this?
Yes, first time.
Pero syempre si Rosel, lagi ka rin, ang dami mo ring advocacy, si Rosel, di ba, sis? So, sige na, dumaan ka na. Tsaka gusto mo yun, dito kami nag-i-interviewhan talaga sa daan, di ba? Pero, sis, ayun nga, tinanong ko si Kuya Tonying anong nakapagpa-oo sa inyo?
Anything talaga na, may kinalaman sa aming mga anak and this kind of advocacy, malapit talaga sa puso namin. Because you know what happened to Zoe and grabe yung pinagdaanan. So, we feel for the parents who are here today. So, full support kami pag mga ganyan advocacies.
So, alam mo, hindi ko na tuloy malaman sino ba ang mas matanda dito.
Si Zoe ang panganay
si Zoe.
and si Helga ang bunso.
Oh, di ba? Pero kasi dahil nga sobrang tatangkad na nila, so akala ko talaga ay halos parang kambal na sila dahil sabay lang sila, no? Zoe, I'm so happy to see you. Lalo kang gumanda and you look so healthy.
Thank you po.
So how does it feel na you're here, of course, with the whole family joining this event?
I'm
having a lot of fun po on these kinds of activities po, lalo na po kasi these aren't often po. So I'm really sure po that napapasaya po nila yung mga bata, and that's a huge thing po, especially knowing po ano po yung pakiramdam na may sakit po.
Manang-mana sa inyo, ha? Galing, ha?
It's a very hard thing to go through po. So little things like these po that make them happy will be such a huge contribution.
Wow, coming from you. Thank you. And what about Helga? Anong ano mo na? Okay.
I agree po with what Achi said, and siguro po talaga it's like this event boosts the confidence of the children here. So nakakatuwa po to see that the children are dancing along with us, smiling, having fun. So it really is a good event, and pati po kami, we really enjoyed it as well.
Yeah, alam mo, sila yung English version mo, no?
By the way.
Grabe,
Yes.
Thank you, Taberna family. Salamat, Kuya. Thank you, Rizal. Thank you. I-share ko sa inyo ang mga kaganapan sa 8th birthday ng aking bunsong si Gavin. Siyempre, hindi makukumpleto ang kiddie party kung wala ang kanyang mga kiddie friends and classmates together with their parents. It's his second time to spend his birthday dito sa Jollyland. Dahil talaga namang enjoy sila ng kanyang mga friends and classmates. At requesting niya one of his favorite foods, shakies. Siyempre, hindi rin kumpleto kung walang kiddie games.
You got 19 seconds! Wow! Palakpakan naman natin. Of course, you got 90 seconds!
Hindi rin mawawala ang games for adults.
Bawal kong durugin yung cups, ha? And in this one, the group A, and the other side is group B. So, i-check ko natin kung sino po ang may pinakamaraming nakuha cups. Sila po ang magkakaroon ng points. Ayan, 5 points po. Ang bawat 5 points sila po ang winners. Okay, that will be the sample pa lang po. So, balik na po natin ang mga cups natin, guys. Ayan, nakuha mo ba? Group A and Group B, yes or no? Head, shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder, knees and toes. Dito ba yung that's good? Mas higit ka. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, shoulder, shoulder, head, to the top, go! Ayan, let's check the group A.
Talaga namang na-enjoy ko ang pag-organize ng kiddie parties for my kids. At dahil si Gavin na ang aking bunso, who is now 8 years old, I made sure na ma-enjoy niya ang kanyang birthday. Kaya naman ang kanyang wish na magkaroon ng The Loud House themed birthday cake, I ordered this from Ice Queen PH. to help me organize Gavin's 8th birthday at para masigurong ma-enjoy niya ang kanyang party, kasama ko syempre ang Jollyland and Shakey's. Ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, spending your birthday with the whole family.
So much. Happy birthday to you. Alright, sa mga kailangan bago po i-blow ng ating birthday boy. Siyempre happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright, Mommy Gladys, before we end this beautiful celebration, do you have any thanks message or closing message to all your guests?
Gavin!
Once again, thank you so much. Once again po, sige lang, okay lang. Ito mga fellow mommies ko dito, kahit na yung iba hindi na classmate si Gavin, pero ang sabi sa akin ng isa dito, may babalik sa banister. Tingnan natin. So thank you so much po. Of course, thank you Jollyland. Thank you so much. And of course, maraming salamat Shakey's. Ayan. For always being part of my kiddie parties. At syempre love na love namin ng Shakey's. subscribers. Ashley Aspa from Lebanon. Elizabeth Abergas from The Hague, Netherlands. Maria Vicky Albentahum. Donna Ubaldo, Star Württemberg. Request granted din para kay Liza Garcia at Mark TV. Si Dre 1103 and Sherry Ibonia. Justoni Miscala, Probinsya Nanay. Michelle De Jesus. We hope you enjoyed our episode for today. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and click the notification bell at mag-iwan din po ng comment. Malay nyo, kayo po ang aming ma-shoutout next episode. And of course, maraming salamat, Vidal Clayton, para po sa aking kasuotan. Next week, magkita-kita pa rin po tayo dito sa Glad to Be With You!